Hello, my name is Stuart Penwarden. I head up the venture capital practice here at Bird & Bird. I specialise in acting for high growth companies as well as the investors to and lenders to those companies. I act all the way throughout their financing life cycle, from very early stage all the way to their exit, which is often by way of a sale or an IPO. I'm therefore very pleased to announce that we are just about to launch our online portal called 2Venture. This is there to support the startup community throughout every stage of their development.
Hi, I'm Xing Lo. I'm a partner in the corporate group. I specialize in venture capital. My favorite startup client is Authentic. They are an identification verification platform on the blockchain. They are a great example of an early stage tech business whose journey we've been fortunate enough to be part of. 2Venture is an online resource which provides startup businesses with legal documentation and strategic legal advice. It provides targeted insights for every stage of a startup life cycle.
Hi, I'm Geraint. I'm a partner in the corporate team here in London. I've been doing venture capital work for over 25 years, mainly acting for the investors. I really like working with startup companies, mainly because you get to meet some really interesting and dynamic people. In terms of 2Venture, our target audience is both really early stage companies, companies just starting off on their program of growth. They need fairly basic legal advice to start off with, but that advice is really important to get right in the first place. And we're interested in those people because we're looking to build a relationship right from the start, which will grow as the company grows. We're also looking for slightly more mature companies which are already starting on their growth program, and now they're looking for more sophisticated legal advice. So those could be M&A opportunities or even IPOs. And very often those companies will be looking to grow internationally, and really Bird & Bird are ideally placed to help them with our fantastic international network and our strong reputation in these fields.
Hi, I'm Joe Stolman. I work in the corporate team in London and specialise in venture capital. I particularly like working with startups because you get to see a full life cycle of a company, right from the beginning, helping on a friends and family seed round, all the way through to a hopefully hugely profitable exit. Bird & Bird's vision is to be the #1 law firm in the world working with organisations changed by technology or the digital world. Startups are at the crux of this in disruptive technology and therefore a real sweet spot for us. 2Venture is part of our global approach to boost our profile within the startup community. We've worked closely with partners and associates across the firm, including in commercial, DP, IP and employment, to provide content that's available to startups and founders.
I'm Rob Taylor. I'm an associate in the venture capital team. I really love working with startups because the founders are really enthusiastic, you get to know them really well, and I think that aspect of it makes the deals really fun to work on. 2Ventures is going to be great for startups because it will contain guidance notes, taking them through the various legal considerations being made at each stage of their growth, along with free topical articles. It will contain all the contact details for the various members of the VC team, and have a section where they can download free documents such as term sheets.
Hi, I'm Mark Rundle. I work in the venture capital group in London. I specialise in acting for investments at all stages of the life cycle, from startup to corporate venturing. I particularly like working with startups because you often have that moment where you're working with a new company that's going to disrupt an established industry, sometimes before that industry even knows anything about it, and that can be really exciting when that happens. We want 2Venture to inspire the venture capital group across the firm, but we need your help. Whether that's promoting internally, externally, or suggesting ideas for content, or just mentioning to clients and sharing on social media. If you'd like to get involved, please just contact any member of the team.